Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expressions. The quiz contains the basic operation plus minus multiplication. So we have to solve this quiz the PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 4, C is 8 and D is 20. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. As you can see, we will discuss here two rules, BODMAS and POMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see here, according to the rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. So here we will solve bracket or parenthesis first. And after that, we have to solve the exponent part or power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve for division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, let's talk about what uh, how we can solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So here we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket or parenthesis. So now we will go for exponent part or order of any number. But in our expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we will skip this one. Now we will go for division and multiplication. So now we will go left to right in this expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so we can solve any of them which is coming. First, we have 5 multiplied by 2, so 20 minus 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 plus 1 plus 11 minus 18 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Now, move forward to solve the step division and multiplication. Now we can see like we do not have any division and multiplication. So now we will go for addition and subtraction. So now we will go one by one, left to right. We will go. First we have the subtraction 20 minus 10. So we will subtract both of them, get the answer is 10 plus 1 plus 11 minus 18. So 20 minus 10 equals to 10. Now we have to go again left to right and find out division and multiplication, addition and subtraction. So now we have 10 plus 1, which is 11, plus 11 minus 18. So here we write 10 plus 1 equals to 11. Now we have two terms, which is, now again we will go left to right. So now we have two terms, which is 11 plus 11. So we will add both of them, get the answer is 22 minus 18. We will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 11 plus 11 equals to 22. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 4. So the answer of the given expression, if you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.